launch YouTube app. Click on search icon. Type in Craft in Canvas CNC. You will be redirected to our channel. Click on red subscribe button. You will now see a bell icon. Click on it and you will be notified on all our new video uploads. Thank you.
Hi all, welcome to Craft and Canvas. Today I'm going to show you how to make this awesome impossible box. Here's what's cool about this box. It's lovingly called the impossible box in the internet. But guess what? It's super easy to make. I'm gonna go ahead and open the box. Ta-da! See how amazing it is? It's just lifting the lid and surprise! There's a hole where you can put in your gifts and treats like some chocolates, candles, ornaments and whatever you like. It's like you're opening the box without having to remove the lid from the box. This is so cool, don't you think? Then what are we waiting for? Let's grab the materials required. You will need a thick cardboard paper of size 8 x 8.5 inch. Cut out some pattern papers of size 1/3/4 x 1/3/4 inch. Another pattern paper cut of size 1/7/8 x 1/7/8 inch. A rectangular cutouts of same pattern papers that we have used above of size 1/7/8 x 7/8 inch and 1/3/4 x 3/4 inch. All of these pattern papers must be cut 4 of each. You will also need an embellishment and a bow. Okay, so apart from this, you will also need glue, scale, scissors, and a pencil. Okay, so let's begin. Take the cardboard and keep all other materials aside. I am taking a white A4 size sheet paper so that you all can see the measurements that I will be using easily. Since I am using a black cardboard and the scale that I am using is transparent, it might be difficult for you all to see. We will have to take the 8.5 inch side. Since this is 8 inch side, I'll turn to the other side. I hope you all are able to see the markings clearly. Okay, here we will be marking at 2 inch, 4 inch, 6 inch and 8 inch. Now I'm gonna do the markings at the bottom end of the cardboard as well, so that we can create a straight scoring line. Now, if you have a scoring board or a scoring tool, then you wouldn't have to make the markings on your cardboard. You can directly go ahead and score at 2, 4, 6 and 8 inches. After making the markings, I am scoring the line. Make sure these lines are straight and clear so that it would be easy for folding later on. I hope you're able to see the scoring lines that I have made. So we are done at 8.5 inch side. Let's move to the 8 inch side. Here we will be doing the markings again, but at different intervals. Earlier we had marked at 2, 4, 6 and 8, but at this side we will be marking at 2, 5, 6 and 7 inches. I'm repeating again, we will be marking at 2 inch, 5 inch, 6 inch and 7 inch. Like I did before, I'm marking at bottom of the cardboard as well so that I can create a straight scoring line. Are you all with me? If you find me going fast at any time, please feel free to pause the video and complete this step along with me. So the scoring part is complete now. If you have also finished scoring, then let's do the folding and creasing together. Remember we had made markings at 2, 5, 6 and 7 inches. Now you will have to fold at 6 inch. Here we will be making tick marks. Let me take the white sheet. Okay, markings will be at 1 inch, 3 inch, 5 inch and 7 inch. After marking, create a triangle shape like I am doing. We will be cutting out at the scribbled parts of the cardboard here. Apart from the triangles, we will cut off these bottom rectangles as well. After marking, now it's time for cutting. Ah, that rhymed, didn't it? Did you observe? Okay, so cut out these triangles and the rectangles. Once you cut it, place it and open the cardboard. It looks just amazing when it opens. Cut at these marked lines as well. Fold the top part of the box upward towards you and keep it folded. Flip the cardboard and make all the remaining folds upward in the same direction of the cardboard. This will create the top and base of the box. Press the top into the base to test if it fits in right. Mine does. Does yours too? Oh, that's fantastic. Then let's jump into this next step of gluing the embellishments. Take the smaller embellishment and paste it on the bigger one, likewise. Now is the time to glue it to the box. Apply glue at this part and glue it to the other end of the cardboard. This is the part where we glued in. So we will start gluing this from this side of the base. After gluing the base, we will attach the remaining embellishments. You can see the box is now ready. Okay, now the top portion of the box kind of looks incomplete, so I am taking the leftover pattern papers and cutting them off to create triangle embellishments, just like I did with the square ones that we have already attached to the box. You can also grab some pattern papers and do the same along with me. So we are at the last step of completing the impossible box. Adding the best wishes and the bow. Wasn't it easy and simple to make? Didn't you enjoy it? I definitely enjoyed every bit while making this impossible box with you all. Thank you so much. These cute little impossible boxes looks just amazing. I'm gonna make few more of them and gift it to my pals. How about you? We will soon come up with a new video upload. Until then, stay tuned. Love you all. Stay happy, stay blessed.